Welcome to the AIRISE SME Experiment Series. In this video, we'll explore how the Greek SME CNC Solutions partnered with AIRISE in the MCCi experiment to integrate AI into their processes.
Hi, Panos, and thank you for being here to talk a bit about this MCCi experiment from the first open call of AIRISE. And just to introduce ourselves, I will ask you to start by giving a brief overview of your company, who you are, what you do, what is the core operation of CNC Solution, and mostly the different sectors in which you can operate.
Hi, Alberto. Thank you for the opportunity to be at the AIRISE project. My name is Panos Gounas. I'm a co-owner and the business and the commercial director of CNC Solutions. CNC Solutions is a CNC subcontracting company that specializes mostly in the designing and manufacturing of metal components and parts of high precision and complexity, using the CNC milling and turning technologies. The company was founded in 2003 with a vision to become a reliable subcontracting manufacturing partner of modern industrial companies in Greece and abroad, of course. And we have two basic pillars. The first pillar is the manufacturing, and the second is education as a vocational center that will provide technical classes for the people that they want to join into CNC machining. And we belong in the network of a very reliable American manufacturer, the Haas. So we belong in the network of the schools that we have in Europe.
And tell me, what were the specific challenges that somehow led you to explore AI solutions in your company? And in this sense, how did AIRISE come into the picture to solve them or to help you as a potential partner?
Yes, AI was always in our potential. We needed to try. So the main challenge that led us to explore the AI solutions was to face the problem of the charter that we face in CNC machining. That's one of the basic problems. Charter, for those that don't know, is an uncontrollable vibration between the cutting tool and the workpiece, and impacts negatively surface quality, the tool life, as well as the machine health, while at the same time it reduces the overall equipment effectiveness. RISE has been the ideal project because it provided the appropriate framework for developing and validating the AI-driven solutions in industrial environments like the one we have in our company. It's focused on integrating the AI for sustainable manufacturing, aligned perfectly with our goal to deploy an AI-based charter detection and control system. That was the main.
So tell me, Panos, will you please describe the main solution that you have implemented within this project and the way, let's say, that AIRISE has helped in implementation of this tool, of this solution, and what was the intended business outcome of this solution?
The main solution that implemented with the support of AIRISE team was a monitor and control system for charter identification, specifically designed for CNC machining processes like ours. The systems integrates an AI-based charter detection mechanism that utilizes real-time data from sensors embedded in the CNC machine to identify and mitigate charter using the milling process. And if we see, the system is built around three key components. The first one was the sensor integration, regarding the MEMS accelerometers that were mounted on the spindle to collect the vibration data without significant interference in machine operation. And that is in general, the the need of the industry. They don't want to touch the machine. So that was the first challenge. And this setup ensures high industrial applicability and scalability. So we found a specific place that was great to mount the sensor. Then it was the AI-based chatter detection. The core of the system is an AI mechanism trained on vibration data to predict and detect the chatter in real time. That was the demand. A support vector machine classifier was developed to analyze features extracted from vibration signals and detect chatter very accurately. The third stage was monitoring and control the interface. A user-friendly interface was developed for machine operators that enables the real-time visualization of vibration data, manual labeling of datasets, and parameter adjustment to mitigate the chatter. That was also a very specific need that we have to face out. And the intended business outcomes of the solutions were mainly the improved OEE, the overall equipment effectiveness, and that was achieved by minimizing the machine downtime, reducing the idle periods, and enhancing the tool performance. Also, another very special outcome was the cost saving. As the solution reduces the tool wear, the scrap rates, but we don't have to machine again some bad part, for example, and the unplanned downtime leading to lower operation costs. Last but not least, enhance product quality. By integrating chatter, the solutions ensure the better surface finish and the dimensional accuracy, which are very critical for customer satisfaction. And this causes also the scalability and competitive edge. The scalable nature of the solution allows us to be deployed across other CNC machines in our facility, positioning us as a leader in adopting AI-based innovation in manufacturing. We hope so.
So, regarding or speaking about expectation, please, would you tell me which were your initial expectations from integrating something like artificial intelligence or AI into your processes or services?
At the beginning of the AIRISE project, despite our lack of experience in the field of AI application, we estimated AI to approach a real-time chatter detection and mitigation, improving in the same time the overall equipment effectiveness by reducing the machine downtime, tool wear, and raw material defects. So we embraced the AI toolbox and the AIRISE potential to first enhance the cost and time efficiency while hoping to achieve a scalable solution that could be expanded across all our machinery. And second, empower our employers, that was very also important for us, with new technologies and specifically AI-driven tools, and bridge traditional expertise with digital transformation.
And now regarding benefits or advantage of this solution, which would you say that have been the most significant benefits that your company has experienced from the use of artificial intelligence, but let's say both in terms of efficiency, but also in terms of overall business value, which is also important?
But the integration of AI has improved efficiency by enabling the real-time chatter detection, by reducing the downtime, the raw material defects, as well as the tool lifetime. It has decreased our operational costs and improved product quality with much more better surface finish. That's also critical for our clients. At the same time, by achieving all these improvements, it has improved our overall business value and I think the competitiveness in the market, and empower CNC operators and programmers with reliable insights of how to optimize the machining process. Because when they say in the machine that will make the test, the other operators also were very curious to see what's happening and how they could make the same in their machine.
And now, Panos, could you please share with us any specific examples of how this approach, this AI solution, has improved or has enhanced your operation, your decision making, or even your customer service?
The better example is how the real-time charter detection improved our production process and made our operators' decision making faster by identifying charter in early stages, so they have the possibility to adjust machining parameters immediately, seen in the stream, preventing the tool damage and reducing scrap. And this helps us, of course, to ensure delivery times, preventing us to machine the parts from the beginning. If for instance, a tool was breaking in the last production phase, that was very critical. Nowadays, delivering high quality products on time is critical to keep the client satisfaction in a high level, demonstrating at the same time our commitment to innovation and reliability.
So, which would you say that were some anticipated challenges that you were expecting during the AI implementation? And also, were there any unforeseen obstacles that you found that maybe arose during the project that somehow you had to tackle as well?
The main anticipated challenges were the well-expected issues regarding the data quality, the sensor integration, as well as charter characterization. We needed to be sure that the result is accurate, but hopefully and likely, with the professional support of the AIRISE partners, we executed the project quite smoothly with no unforeseen implications or surprises.
So you have mentioned the AIRISE team. So now I would like to know how or in which way has the AIRISE team helped you to address these challenges, and also which technologies or which strategies have been most effective in order to overcome all these obstacles that you have been finding.
AIRISE team were supportive during all the duration of the project, and as we are very novice for this road trip, and made us feel comfortable, although it was our first implementation of an AI application in our production line. The AIRISE team also provide the appropriate information to all stakeholders of the project to understand the demands and the steps that have to be taken. And of course, they were very responsive in our requests, while all interaction procedures, for instance, the documentation, were well structured and very informative.
And well, regarding services and support also, which would you say, or which specific services or tools that were provided in this case by AIRISE were you found most useful to your company as well? And how did these tools somehow contribute to the success of this AI initiative?
If we need to summarize the most useful services and tools that AIRISE provided, they were, for example, the guiding and execution of experiment, detecting the risks and proposing mitigation measures, as well as guiding on reporting activities. But all these were key factors for the success of the AI initiative.
So tell me, Panos, and looking a bit to the future, let's say, what are your future expectations regarding the use of AI or the continued use in your company, and also how do you see AIRISE contributing in the future, but also in the long-term goals?
That was our dream expectation, because when we started, our expectations were less, but we expect in the next year the charter detection system to reach a very improved level, like we say in proposals, the TRL 6 level. And after 3 years of operation and adopting this solution in all our machines, we have 18 machines in total, the system could be ready to enter the market as a plug-and-play solution. because, as you know, that many companies and in the manufacturing are willing to adapt the solutions like this one.
So Panos, we've been working together for some months already, and I would like to know if your expectations of or your idea and on the perspective on AI has changed since the beginning of the experiment. But I would also like to ask you about, or is there any advice, any recommendation that you would give to a company that is considering or probably planning to work in AIRISE?
Yes, for sure it has changed. AI seems to be something exotic and unreachable, but with the support of all the members of the AIRISE team and the guidance, we managed to test it and see with our own eyes the benefits of its users, and that exactly would be the message to other companies and that they want to test. And I would say trust the AIRISE team, experts, and open new perspective to your businesses and employees to improve your daily job and business.
So tell me, Panos, if you could, now that the experiment is finished, if you could describe your journey or your experience with AIRISE in one word or even in one phrase, which would it be and why?
One word. I would say empowering, because the AIRISE gave us the tools, the expertise, and the support needed to successfully adopt the AI, boosting our capabilities and market competitiveness. Yes, I think that would be the one word.
Thank you for joining us in exploring the innovative experiments of the AIRISE project. To stay updated and learn more about our journey, subscribe to our social media channels and visit our website at airise.eu. Together, let's shape the future of AI in manufacturing. This project is funded by the European Union.